Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your Payoneer account to your Fiverr. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside of the Fiverr website. What you're going to do now is you're going to go into the top. You're going to go ahead and click your profile picture. Click on profile. It's going to take you to your profile. And then at the top, you're going to see my business. Let's go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see earnings. Click on earnings, and then it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, all of my earnings are on this page and displayed. Now, what I want to do is I want to withdraw this. So you're going to click on manage payout method. Click on that right here. And then add payment method. Because as you can see, Payoneer is in there, or PayPal, or whatever option you want to choose. Once you click that, it's going to ask you to verify yourself. So you're going to either verify yourself by SMS or a call. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on SMS, and then I'm gonna put a code in. All right, then I'm gonna press submit, and then as you can see, I'm verified, and then I'm going to add a payment method. And as you can see, PayPal is there and Payoneer is there. So I'm gonna click Payoneer account, and then you can click any currency you want to use. And then I'm going to press continue. Now I need to go to my email. So I got to click got it. And then head over to my email. And then it takes me to the Payoneer to sign up. I have to sign up and create an account. So if you don't have a Payoneer account, you're going to go ahead and create one. All right, now I'm going to head back to Fiverr. And as you can see at the bottom, manage payout method. I'm going to click that. And now, as you can see at the bottom here, it says Payoneer account. Straightforward, right? But yeah, I could choose PayPal if you want, but I'm doing a Payoneer video right now. So now you could easily go ahead and withdraw your funds by using Payoneer. So yeah. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.